Shubor nakaslem jong Nong Hima.
Hadien khatlai Bnai kan thi ki Nong rap ka Shnong Khanduli ki badan Pynthor hali ha Shnong Karbi ha Assam kin sayolat ban lej rap Biang nadu ka arphuai tarik jemang arja arpusau. Kani kala urlong Hadien ka jenge kendu lang jong ka dorbar Shnong Khanduli ban ka Soching Amring Border Development Committee ha BOP jong ki pulet Assam ha Khanduli West Chanta Hills District ha ka khat handu tarik jemang. Ya ka dorbar Shnong Khanduli lami khmat da wahe Shnong Yoshida Nong Spung bat kiwe de ki Nong yalam kentup UMLA barim uba Dryson Kharshiyeng kat baya ke SABDC lalam khmat da President Jongka Augustin Hanse nalor kiwe. Katai gejing kenduk lang kalalong ha kejing mi khmat jongki border magistrate na West Chantia bat West Karbi anglong kata u Dr. Bilang bang bat Alamgir Laska. Katai kejing kenduk lang kala menjur ban ailat yaki Nong rap jongka Khanduli ban sedang Biang yaki jinglej rap jongki Hadien bagi terai khandau kin lej pen i yaki kot pata jaka syaki wahe Shnong jongki Shnong Karbi kiba ki jaka puta ki don. Syuk ki Nong yalam jongki SABDC ki layat hu bakin salej ajing tip syaki wahe Shnong bat ki Nong Shnong jongki laipu ar tali ki Shnong Karbi kiba ki jaka puta jongki penar ki don. Kani ki jinga kenduk lang larai ru ban IT syaka sorkar Meghalaya bat ka sorkar Assam ban rai hae ban penyeng Biang yaki entry tax gate nega khardop lum khajana jong ka KAAC kabala syaweng ha Bnai nailar arajar arpulai. Kajia kenduk lang kalarai banaduk menta kalet kawan jong ki pat ba bat ki kali syabaro arteli ki jala kalapli bat kadorbar Shnong Khanduli kan penti kena ya kejing shengan jong ki Karbi ki bawan syak Khanduli bat ki weide ki Shnong penar kat ba ke SABDC ru kan penti kena ya kejing shengan jong ki penar ki balet sya Assam. Kajingya lang kalarai ru ba Shnong Khanduli bat ke Shnong Ami kin ya syong penbet no ya uput usam jong ki.
Discussed with the resolution 1 regarding the income tax gate. So the problem is started with income tax gate. So the resolution in the end, both sides have proposed that the government decide where to install tax gate. So when government decided, the public will not disturb. Both Khasi or other Karbi will not disturb, that the government decides. So that is the resolution. So we will wait for the government when it will take place or when it will install. So it is not upon us. So that is the resolution. And then regarding the they have talked about the village boundary also. Both mountain villages and Khanduli village will sit down. I think with the Dorper, Shnong, and all, they will sit down. They will discuss. They will sit down and they will see up to where the village boundaries is for better communication and peace in this area. I think resolution number 2, 3, no? Yes. Both sides agreed that no illegal construction project or planting of trees, etc. will be done unless joint inspection from both sides administration. So that's it. Okay. And resolution number 4, both sides agreed to pay tax at Assam Revenue Office in case property land is within Assam jurisdiction. The constituent will show land documents to village headman in any form, original documents or in digital form. Whoever haven't had a land pata will have to make it immediately from your office.
Iba tempat cirup kamtam penar woro arleng masuk di penar wa di perlok Karbi ni skiri yo e chong meeting kamtam mani bi di Assam ni ko la so Khanduli yang yo ini dia raing di juri wow wan biang sesini yo negas ngi to declare to wan biang chong sai kamtam ma pok di bara biang wa na ilang gedor pa chong Khanduli pen paula e di so kwen sisin hawa iyo e chem wa kamtam di perlok Karbi ni ngi di pembai i wa wa next ni pembayi atau meeting iman successful bag meeting labai nanti yuti nado yang ibru Khanduli penar le nado kasingu ada yo lare lagi lagi buru perlu Karbi le nam jiktu di lagawan nado mentu nado mentu galai kawan the free going free coming mo boro ye galai em ni kon wan te i group na nado ko singo arto lai repi karpat i wa karpat i kamtam ya ka ye i kam bilong dalam ini tan benar kan bila em ge jo jimut won tuna i te to ye pendan ni ke singi wa ka yu hagis nem ga de em tu ka jini auru kam tu hende ni ge chemi di pembai wa kini ke kata iman dawan biang mesin ya de yo ye thong san de yo de ki kamu ju lai for this one
Frankly media person no pan ne aklong pen churulo pini ladak Khanduli BOP long ladak Khanduli nar la pen pu Karbi long kidu Karbi ada tu pen kidam tangan ingkan surinira ingkora ke tho ingkora free April sikru ke toksi pen termasuk ladak cibong acar bukan ajoy pen ningkan si parlo ladak kecidam kecibang mukha tamne free avadar lo pen claim kidam mana terus tamne chuneng pen on pon na hi chikem lo avadar lo plus inili tum chingwai lo kadu ko da Khanduli sar gamna tum pen la pen inili tum laku Karbiang long kidu aroma sara tum pen la pen kesi inglong ko regional committee tum kadu ko tum pen pini chingwai si pini mun sam nili tum padu pon lo la se pini chingwai pon lo non pini panan par bangke la da kecip hong ke ceru ko ching check la bang so bangke awede nang po kumane Karbi tum Jong si bang mekhalia lu kedam penareng sudam dak lu talang tum responsible la pen tu panara tum stame alang tum pukar biang long lu ke bang pen Jong si komane thendum dak lu tel ke Karbi tum si responsible lu nang po asi ke claim kedam hidip tame hidi long list tame nona giliji Tuesday ni penabang ke alang tum kai teng kai mang claim dam long po la pen masuk ke claim kedam long abang ke pini ladak amai long pen ke chingki pon chirai pon alam the ke la sonik lo je Karbiang long lu kidu apatah an hindi kumi ke duan bangke Karbiang long autonomous council fan revenue pinangji lapen meghalaya lo yong si Karbi tum hindi bon dok lo dang pe meghalaya long si revenue bang pinangji pusi pini chingki chingwai pon lo la se lahin metame opran me phun pen pini nile tum adak Khanduli BOP long nile tum chingki chingwai pon long lo se rat ka duk ka betum fan tame ke do ke dam kai teng kai mang chuklem chudam nang po churi chu chuman chubhong cher bu ching che ka bang ke nili tu abang pen ke nang na phegon long la de nang po measurement si claim dam nang po lan chal kardom
So the meeting is very successful because the committee have decided that the farmers from the Khanduli area or another villages they can continue to work their paddy field from Tuesday onwards. So today it is a successful meeting. Both the magistrate from West Karbi Anglong district and West Janti Hill district, they come to witness our committee. So it is really a history for our committee that again we can restore peace and harmony in our area. So thanks to the community that we will bring peace and harmony as usual from today onwards, that we will bring our people as they like to go to other activities. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless.